Okay, well, Vivian's been telling us about the MA1 and the MA2. I want to look some more about an MA2 and give an example. So here we go. The MA2 process is given like this. X of t is A of t minus plus a linear combination of A of t minus 1 and A of t minus 2. Now, in this case, the theoretical autocorrelations, I'm not going to derive them, but rho naught is 1. Rho 1 is minus theta 1 plus theta 1 theta 2 over 1 plus theta 1 squared plus theta 2 squared. And then rho 2 is minus theta 2 over 1 plus theta 1 squared plus theta 2 squared. Okay? And then the interesting part of all this is that rho k equals 0 for k greater than 2. So for the MA2 process, I have autocorrelation at lag 0, obviously, but autocorrelation at lag 1 and autocorrelation at lag 2, and then there's 0 from then on. And that's kind of a weird behavior, and for that is one of the reasons why moving average processes aren't by themselves often used to model real data. But let's just go ahead and look at an example. I've given us an example here with numbers in it, and so let's just see what we've got here. So in this particular case, theta 1, remember the signs, theta 1 is 0.9, theta 2 is minus 0.4. So rho naught is 1, rho 1 is minus theta 1, so that would be minus 0.9, plus theta 1, theta 2. Theta 1 is 0.9, theta 2 is 0.36, and that's minus, so it would be minus 0.36 over 1 plus 0.9 squared plus 0.4 squared, and that's going to be minus 0.64. You can check my arithmetic. And then rho 2 is going to be minus 0.4 or 0.4 over the same denominator. And that's going to be 0.2. And then rho k is going to be 0 for k greater than 2. Now, I'd like to be able to plot what I think data looks like from this model. Let me first just start. I do know what the autocorrelations look like. So let me draw an autocorrelation plot here. So at lag 0, it's 1. At lag 1, it was what? Minus 0.64. So it's down to about there. Then at lag 2, it was 0.2. So it was up to about there. And then from then on, there's 0. So when I try to decide, what is that telling me? Well, it's telling me that observations 1 unit apart are negatively correlated. Observations 2 units apart have a little bit of positive correlation. And then observations more than 2 units apart have no correlation at all. I really don't know what that time series is going to look like. It sort of blows my mind to even kind of think of that. I do know that if I plot the spectral density, it tends to look like this. And that also sort of leaves me cold, because basically what that's saying is this lacks frequency behavior at 0.1, but all the other frequency behaviors are kind of similar. And I, again, don't know how to visualize data that doesn't have 0.1 frequency in it. So Bevan's going to show us in a minute. He's going to actually generate data from this model, show us what the data look like, the autocorrelations and the spectral density.